Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Rvr, stock number 263116, and it's been in a front end collision. This vehicle comes with a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine. Can't start this one due to fuse box damage. This vehicle comes with cloth black interior with manual seat adjustment. And this engine has 107,000 kilometers. You just can't get it to stay lit. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to give Miller's Auto Recycling a call for pricing and availability.